What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota 4Runner remote key fob. This Toyota 4Runner key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release here that my finger's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, you can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on the front of it. What I'm going to do is take my key and stick it in that notch like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm just going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the case apart. Go ahead and open the case. And then in this part, we see our battery right here. I'm going to grab a small screwdriver or even something like with a point on it. You just want it to be able to fit in this notch right here. Get under the edge of the battery, pop it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'll kind of tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And then make sure if yours is moved around at all that this is sitting down in there properly. Then we can snap the two halves of the case back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.